So I transferred the grounds into this portafilter. So I bought this this tamper. I had to get a file and smooth down these seam marks on both ends. But this tamper is it's supposed to be it's listed as 56 millimeter. So that means I can move this around in here. See, it doesn't. So then grounds used to get stuck along the seam lines, but I can even use this end to tamp around, make sure the edges are filled in. Okay, we got a little grounds here. So then I've been putting a puck screen on, and then I've been using this Jones infusion technique. I still haven't seen anybody doing this, but maybe someday it'll catch on. Then, in order to get the portafilter onto the machine, I rub my finger alongside of my nose. What's that? There's a little, I don't know. Feels like it's gone. A little burr or something. But anyway, you put that on like that. Put that in place. And then lock it in place at 90 degrees. But let me see, I gotta turn the machine on. So this is the Elizabeth. It says right now it's at, this is the brew, it's at 47. The E means the steam boiler. That's echo mode, means the steam boiler is not on. So if I hold this button down for 3 seconds, the E goes off and the steam boiler is now on. The pump turned on to make sure the steam boiler was filled to the proper level. But so now it's like 74 degrees for steam, 62, 63 degrees for brew. So this is a dual boiler machine. But anyway, let me see, I usually use this as a catch cup. I have this little light I put here to illuminate it better. But then I shouldn't, let me see, that's 72 there. That should be the current temperature. Well, no, the current temperature is 74. No, wait, I have this set for 85. But anyway, it is heating up. This machine heats up very rapidly. Actually, probably just as good as my Sylvia. When you press this button on the left-hand side, a little wrench shows up there, and that shows the temperature that the brew boiler is set to. If I press this twice, it sets 145. That's what the steam is set to. Press this button, brew boiler is at 84. The steam is at 92. We get a little noise here of bubbling of steam as the pressure relief valve on the boiler is just about to close. It usually closes at like 96, 98. Should be closing. $102. Anyway, I can pull the shot right now. What I've been doing is using this system. I bought it used, but it came out with the steam pre-infusion set to be on button 2. So what I do is I zero the scale. So that's 0. Reset the timer on the scale. Okay, and then I start the timer on the scale, press button number 2, the steam pressure. Oh, the steam pressure wasn't all the way up to temperature. But anyway, I'm getting some pre-infusion flow. This will go for 16 seconds, and then the boiler will turn on, the pump turns on, but let me stop that. Oh, I collected 36. I wanted to collect 25. It was like about 15 grams in, 25 grams out. It eliminates the bitterness later in the shot. But anyway, so that's about it on how to pull a shot.